my first trip to Mexico almost 30 years ago. The night Sammy opened Cabo, we were standing at the door. The first ones in, the last to leave, we'd never felt so cool. Until three of us woke up naked in that hotel swimming pool. The next night my friends heard the stories of four gringos getting drunk. Three of them had passed out, but the fourth had no such luck. He had the devil running through his blood, his head just wasn't right. Took 5 pissed off federales to bring him down that night. And for the past 30 years I tried to put it all together. Everything was perfect, the girls, the beer, the weather. I had a small allergic reaction, but it was more than enough. You see, tequila makes me break out in handcuffs. Hell, I'd always been so peaceful I couldn't hurt a fly. I even had to give up hunting, 'cause when I'd shoot a deer I'd cry. But they still call me El Tornado Blanco down in Cabo to this day. And on the back of Sammy's bar there's a picture on display. It shows those 5 breath federales and a very handsome drunk young man wrestling on the beach of that perfect white Pacific sand. I'd seen every Bruce Lee movie, but it wasn't quite enough. You see, tequila makes me break out in handcuffs. 1 shot makes me smile, 2 and 3 they warm me up. 4th shot makes me feel like 4 just ain't enough. 5th shot goes down easy, man, I feel just super. 6 and 7 make me tough and strong, and 8 makes me look like Bradley Cooper. And for the past 30 years I tried to put it all together. Everything was perfect, the girls, the beer, the weather. I had a small allergic reaction, but it was more than enough. You see, tequila makes me break out in handcuffs. Tequila makes me break out in handcuffs.